everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be making a custom spread for Kelly, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. Kelly, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a Live Love Posh sticker book spread on some KellofaPlan pages. So I have KellofaPlan pages right here that I'm going to decorate. I already started pulling the stickers. I have this fun theme, very colorful, very fun, that I pulled from both of these books. I have Chic Summer, which I pulled, I think the flowers. The boxes I pulled, yeah, the flowers right here. And then from Beach Babe, I pulled these. Like, look how pretty these are. I love the pictures. So I'm going to use these to decorate her spread. Excited about that. I'm actually going to put down some washi first. This is from Planything. So let me lay this down first because I always forget. It's a really pretty pink. I love this striped pink washi. Okay. Now let me put some down here too. Okay. And should I put some on the top? I don't know if I want to put it on the top. Actually, I think I should. Kind of just finishes it off, so I think I'm going to do that. Okay, cool. So, got some fun washi on this spread. Definitely check out Planything. I have a discount code and lots of great like neutral, like patterned washi, but in fun colors, which I really like. Because I'm just used to using like black and white a lot, but it's nice to have like these patterns to pull. Okay, so like I said, I pulled stickers already just because it makes my life a little bit easier. I have so many spreads to catch up on since I wasn't feeling well, for a while. Feeling a lot better, but not like 100%. Actually, I think like, I'm gonna try not to talk too much in this video because I've noticed that when I do, my, I feel like I get set back, so. Sorry if I'm not as chatty. But yeah, should be still good. Okay, so I have this sticker here. And let's layer these. I'm gonna put it here. And then I wanna layer some boxes. I'm gonna do this one here. I have these like fun patterned ones. And I love these like little photos. Those are so cool. Cute. Okay. Let's do an orange flower. Oops. Pink box on top. Cute. Okay, we can go to this side. I'm gonna do this photo here. Do a box here. And then this this one going this, no, not like that. I need to make sure I have enough room for this light. Okay. I think I'm gonna grab flour. Okay. Hopefully I did that right. Oops, ripping sticker. Oh geez. Okay, I didn't do it completely right, but I'm gonna stick it down this way. Okay. We'll do one in the middle, just so it's not like wasted space. Okay, I think that looks pretty cool. I want to get some teal on this side. So let's do a little layering here. Like so. Love, love, love. Okay. Let's see. I feel like I should get orange on this side too. So I'm gonna go back in here, actually here, the page here. I have this. Maybe I should stick it here. I'm gonna try to lift this up. Oh yeah, thankfully it lifts up very nicely. I'm gonna stick this here, just get some orange on this side of the page too. Cool. All right. Kind of feel like I need some green here. Just do a green there. Okay. So, thinking to adjust this a little bit. Oops. Okay. Let me fix this. It's a little easier to pull it off when it's closer to me. Okay. So I'm gonna grab a new one because that one's all messed up. Okay, so not this book. This one. Was it this one? No, it was this one. Yeah, it's like this greenish color. Okay, so I'm thinking I need to put this here. And then layer this here. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here. Cool. All right, I'm gonna grab some bullet points to stick on the spread. Oh, I have checklists too. There's long ones too. Okay, cool. I think I can stick some long ones on the spread. That would be nice. Got some pink ones. I'll cut this one down a little. I'm just have to go down that way. Okay. Yeah. And then I have these green ones for bullet points. So these. Let's see, I'll do more green. I'm also gonna put down, oops, some headers. one here, two here actually. Cool. All right, so I got headers. Okay, so we got today. Oh, these don't fit. They're a little short. That's okay. All right, and then I'll do important. I think I'm gonna stick a couple of these little boxes. Let's see. I feel like the more boxes, the better. So that's what I'm going with. Okay, I need to find something for the sidebar because I don't have like a long sticker. So, I mean, I could do some habit trackers. Maybe I'll do that. That would be kind of cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do, let's do a couple of habit trackers. Oh wait, I didn't want pink, I wanted the other color. A greenish color. There's so much pink down here. Okay, so this will go here. I really want to start using habit trackers again because they are really nice to have in your planner. Okay, then I'm gonna do pink next here. Oh, there's quotes in here. And then I can do, I have some nice quotes. Okay, so I have to look at that later, but I'm gonna do a header. I'm gonna do goals. And let's do a couple of these bullet points. I might do something decorative here. Actually, let's see what decorative sticker I have. Okay, I have a another one of these. I wonder if I do flower. Oops. Just kind of like half on the page, half off the page. Okay, cut this off. Okay, that's cool. All right, then I'm gonna fill in a couple more bullet points on that side. I think one more should be good. Cool, I like that. It's different. I never do a sidebar like that, but I'm really liking that. Okay, cool. Next, I'm going to grab some quotes, because I have some quotes in here. Let's see which ones I have. Actually, there's none in here. Okay, so only in this Chic Summer book. Cool. So, just trying to find one that'll fit. It says, wake me up when it's summer. I really don't like summer. I really don't like summer. I want it, like, I would prefer wake me up when it's fall because I'm so over summer. But summer spreads, this is like a fun vibe here. Okay, love that. Helps to tie in the black too. There's a lot of black, like these big bold black stickers here. Okay, I feel like maybe like one more thing. Let me go back here. I just feel like I need something here. That's kind of random. It says Palm Springs. I guess I could do another photo, which, like, kind of like this one where I had it off-centered, like this sunset one is cute. Still can write there, so that's good. And there's also a huge checklist here, so I think it should be fine. For me, that would be enough space, so I think it should be good. But yeah, kind of like that. I feel like I needed something over there. All right, that's gonna be it for this spread for Kelly. I love how it turned out. It was a fun summer vibes spread. So yeah, love how it turned out. Kelly, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.